unless you are fully compliant with IBM Sub-capacity terms, you will be charged or counted against the number of cores on your physical host, not the VM. Okay, so most customers, when they're deploying IBM software, right, they'll assign it to a virtual machine, and they'll designate, say, 2 cores to that machine to run that IBM software. Unless you are sub-cap compliant, IBM will not count the 2 cores. Instead, if that box is sitting on a 32-core host, IBM will count the 32 cores, not the 2 cores on which the software is actually installed. Does that make sense? But again, we work with customers every single day who could have saved millions of dollars in audit findings and software spend if they understood what I just described, right? And how to maintain sub-capacity compliance.